Hello, my name is Juan Esteban Manuel Martinez. I am from Fisha 2774974. This is my PIMES, a project about the company Tecnisoldaduras y Mangueras Andrés S.A.S. from the competency understanding test and producing test in English. So I will start be talking a little about us. Tecnisoldaduras y Mangueras Andrés S.A.S. was founded in 2020. We specialize in the manufacturing of metal structures for industrial equipment, construction, and the assembly of mechanical welded joints. Our vision is to pursue a continuous improvement in the welding task, maintaining the production process and manufacturing of metal structures, and continue helping of our customers. Our vision for the next 5 years is to gain recognition in the welding market, expanded our presence, improve our company, and achieve economic stability for profit. The quality policy of the Tecnisoldaduras is that we are a company committed for the efficiency of our service and the quality of our products, with the goal of serving and meeting the needs of our customers. Our corporate values are quality, responsibility, respect, commitment, punctuality, integrity, and teamwork. Now I will talk a bit about our portfolio of products and services. We offer a wide range of products and services specialized in the manufacturing of metal structures and welding work. Some of these are couplings in various types and diameters, clamp caps, cup caps, and others in different diameters, threaded and sanitary elbows in various sizes, a specialized welding service with high precision process. If you wish, you can view the complete portfolio by clicking in the link. And now I will talk about some of result and development of, to the instrument to the company Tecnisoldaduras y Mangueras Andrés S.A.S. according to some of competencies addressed during the training program. First, we have the company information. We development the basic information who we are, mission, vision, objectives, corporate values, organizational chart, and more things of the company. And this is from the competency intervening 1 and 2. Next, we have the customer service protocol. Together with my guys group, we created a format that outlines of the protocols for customer service during different moments of interaction with the customers. This is from the competency customer service proposed training programs. And the next we have the document production guide. We build detailed documents with information and techniques for typing, reading, proper posture at the workplace. Here including formats and templates for preparing documents according to the GTC 185 standard. This is from the competency produced documents 1 and 2. Next, we have occupational risk matrix. We developed a matrix that details the various risks present in the company, and this is from the competency occupational health and safety. In addition, other documents and results applicable to the companies strengthening have been proposed and developed. So thank for your attention. Have a good day.